Kajingilang haprenki seng perthai ka United Democratic Party bat kinong mikmat jong ki South Lee ki mobile phone company na ki service provider kum ka Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL ka bolong hakalai protect Julio banyakan lo ka jingthot ba ka jingdako haki babuan ki rukom jong ki mobile network haki ni kisni. Klasim ya karai wan pha da ka jingtho syak sarkar jala bandawa wan pha Tohkit banyak Halor ka jingkeno bagi tawar jong mobile phone company kilong ki badon jingma namar creation kabala arut ban kata ya kwat ka khya jong ki pai ba. Habayakan bi wakilat patai kubor hadin bal awai ka jingilang ka bapulong haying president ka UDP Dr. Dong Roy na kaliang working president ka UDP ba polling do uloong ngila rai ban le ra da ka jingtho sya ka sarkar jalla hakas ni balang haba undawa ban pha Tohkit banya hagiru syampang la ka don chishan em ka jingkata jong credition ka mi na kita wa jong ki mobile phone khamtam hasilong uni undang ilam jong ka UDP uloong ba kinong mi khmat jong kitay ka company kiloong ba ka jingthot jong kurukom pha kubor ba ki wei de ki jing ko kalami na ka hakini kisni kalong na ka daw umshim na ayo lat ban penbun bat pen bhashu ya kita war khamtam hasulong hadim balami ka jing sapti jong ki pai ba ka radiation ka mi na kita war ka ta ki bubun ki liang na khamtam habai dei ko ka khya kumta abai dei ba kani na kaliang working president ka UDP ulong ba ka dei tang ki ru shampang ki bala ban tip ya jing sha bat dei na kani ka daw ba don kam ka jing Tohkit ka ba banya.
What emerged from this discussion was that there is a lot of problem that the companies are faced with, primarily because there is this perception, there is this feeling, there is this general information that has gone around about the radiation effects that emanate from mobile towers, and in a number of cases, Dorbarshnongs or house owners or those staying within the vicinity of a particular house would not allow the towers to be set up, leading to the congestion and the need to expand the connectivity cannot be met because of this basic problem. So at the end of today's deliberations, we decided that the party, the UDP, would take steps to facilitate an independent study that the government of Meghalaya should cause in order to ensure that whatever perceptions are there are addressed, are allayed. The fear of radiation, the fear of the levels of radiation are addressed, and unless this is done, the service providers are at their wits' end as far as improving the quality and addressing the current problems are concerned.